everyone, it's Angela from Bake Angel, and today I'm sharing a special Valentine's bake-along featuring 10 of our favourite easy vegan desserts. These are simple, allergy-friendly recipes that are perfect for sharing, whether you're baking for your kids, a classroom party, or someone special. There's something here for everyone. So grab yourself a cup of tea, get comfy, and enjoy this bake-along.